points we believe are all key drivers of trust. Now, why is
Mm.
trust important? As public servants, and this is my view, trust is our most valuable currency. We hold this trust for all the public and especially those that we serve. And so that's why it is our primary metric in terms of how are we doing macro VA? How are we serving you? How are you feeling about us? And I'm really, really proud to say that when we started this trust metric about 5 years ago, the initial kind of baseline was not that great. It was about
Mm.
55% agreement. So we had a long, long way to go. Over the last 4 years, trust has increased by over 20%. So that is veterans telling us that, we're listening, we're responding, we're doing something right to earn that trust. And, our goal is to hit a 90% agreement with that level. We've got